Hey guys, what's up? And Google has absolutely nailed the Pixel 4a. I did expect the Pixel 4a to be amazing, but it was even better than what I thought and even more storage than the expensive Pixel 4 XL. And that $349 price was just incredible. They have managed to outshine the iPhone SE, also the OnePlus Nord, and from the looks of it, they have decided to repeat the magic again with the Google Pixel 5 XL. So we have received some very new information about the Pixel 5 XL, which will make you forget about the Note 20 or the OnePlus 8 or the iPhone 12 series. So according to new leaks, the Google Pixel 5 XL will use Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, which means that Google has said goodbye to the high-end Qualcomm chips. Google has taken this decision because of the very high prices of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus, and they have decided that the extra money is not worth the gains of the 865 Plus. I personally think that this is the best choice from Google, and their fully flagship Pixel phones weren't selling very well. They were outstandingly overpriced, and the price of the Pixel 5 XL is much cheaper than what the past Pixel phones were costing. Also, the 765G is a 5G chip, so no compromises in that area. According to this new leak, there will only be the Pixel 5 XL, so no Pixel 5 this year. The Pixel 4a will serve as the Pixel 5, and the Pixel 5 XL will be the only choice you have if you want to spend more. And this is not that much more expensive compared to the Pixel 4a. So the pricing of the Pixel 5 XL is rumored to be $699. $699 is just incredible for a smartphone of this caliber. Outside of a slightly slower processor, this is a flagship in almost every other way. It's made up of glass and metal. Not 20. I also don't need to mention the camera, which is the best our money could buy. Also, another good thing which Google has done this year is that they have removed the Soli radar chip. So gone are the awkward hand wavy gestures. Also for Indians, this is a particularly good news because as long as Google had those radar chips, they weren't allowed to sell smartphones in India. That's why the Pixel 4 was never launched in India. But with the radar now gone, the Pixel 5 XL can now launch in India. And like I said, it's coming at a very great price. It should come at a cheaper price than the OnePlus 8 Pro in India and at the same price as OnePlus 8 globally. This year, Google will finally use a hole punch camera, which will make their smartphones look a little bit more futuristic, because last time, even though I personally never had a problem with that bezel, people really weren't big fans of this design. The smartphone was also leaked in benchmark. Obviously, the 765G cannot outperform the 865 Plus, but in this day and age, it's not an issue. You won't be noticing the difference in your day-to-day life. Yeah, the 865 Plus might open the app fraction of a second faster, but is that fraction of a second worth almost $300-ish? If yes, then buy the iPhone. If no, then Pixel offers so much for so less. Let me know guys, would you be considering the Pixel 5 XL as your next smartphone? Subscribe to the channel for more videos on the Pixels, smash that like button for the cheap price, follow me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.